All right, welcome everyone to the Growth Podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly relevant and, dare I say, a little spicy. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to take the job of those who refuse to learn. Now, how many of you out there are a tad freaked out about AI stepping into the workplace? It's a common fear, right? You hear stories about robots replacing people, and it can feel like the end is near. But here's the kicker. Fear is just a hurdle. It doesn't do us any good unless we transform that energy into action, into learning something new. It reminds me of when smartphones took the world by storm. Remember those folks who stubbornly stuck to their flip phones, thinking they were fine? Where are they now?
Right? I totally get that. My dad still uses a flip phone for texting. It takes him forever to send a message, laughs.
Exactly. That's the perfect example. If you're still writing the way you did 5 years ago, how can you keep pace with someone leveraging AI to write not just faster but better? It's a different ballgame. The 3 reasons why those who use AI are going to outlive the rest are simple. They work faster, they work more accurately, and they're always ready to adapt.
So, what you're saying is that it's not just about working harder, but working smarter, right? Wait, does that mean I should toss my flip phone? Laughs.
Absolutely. It's a mindset shift. You don't have to be a programmer or have a PhD to understand AI deeply. What you need is what I call a lifelong learning mindset. Think about it. If you can find just one area in your job where AI can enhance what you're doing, you're already ahead of the curve.
Oh, wow, that's super interesting. So if I'm a graphic designer, for example, would using AI tools to create faster designs make me more competitive? I mean, wow, that's a big deal.
Precisely. If you start utilizing tools that automate repetitive tasks, you could spend more time on the creative aspects of your work. Think of it as having a high-powered assistant who never takes a lunch break. And even if you can only leverage AI in a small percentage of your tasks, that's still a huge step forward.
Wow, I never thought about it that way. It's like discovering a cheat code in a video game, right? Like when you find that secret level? Laughs.
You nailed it. It's all about finding those cheat codes in your everyday working life. The world's changing, and those who embrace it are the ones who will thrive. So let's keep pushing ourselves to learn and adapt. At the end of the day, it's not the most skilled people who survive, but those who can pivot the quickest.
Ah, gotcha. This is, more motivational than I expected. It's refreshing. Like a cold drink on a hot day, you know?
I love that. So remember, folks, it's about growth, embracing change, and taking those tiny steps toward a brighter future. The opportunity is out there. All we have to do is reach for it.
Totally feeling that. So let me ask you, what would be the first step for someone who feels overwhelmed with all this AI stuff? Can we start small?
Great question. Starting small is the way to go. Pick one tool or one aspect of your job you want to improve. For example, if you're troubled by repetitive tasks in your emails, try an AI tool that can draft responses for you. It's a game changer.
Oh wow, that's so simple. When I started using those meal prep apps, and they'd plan out my grocery list for me, it saved so much time.
Exactly. It's all about simplifying your life. The less time you spend on mundane tasks, the more energy you can devote to creativity and problem solving. 2 areas where humans excel.
Yes, I'm totally on board with this. I can't wait to explore AI tools. This conversation has changed my mindset so much.